Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Moz and Ubersuggest. So just started with a breakdown about Moz and Ubersuggest. Moz remain a solid choice for users who want accurate SEO tools with a clean, easy-to-use interface. It's especially strong in keyword research, rank tracking, on-range optimization, and site audit. Most domain authority, which is DA metric, is still widely used in some SEO words, and it offers great educational resources, making it ideal for beginners, small businesses, and marketing teams who want trusted data-backed SEO guidance without being overwhelmed. Now, talking about Ubersuggest, on the other hand, created by Neil Patel, is more affordable and designed for new marketers, bloggers, and small business owners. It offers keyword ideas, SEO difficulties, score basic backlink data, and traffic estimated in a simple layout. While Ubersuggest isn't as in-depth or precise as most, it's easy to use, mobile friendly, and include basic content ideas and AI writing tools, perfect for solo entrepreneur or casual users. And here's a overall conclusion about this platform. So you choose Moz if you want a reliable, long-time SEO platform with accurate data and professional grade features. You can as well as pick Ubersuggest if you want just starting out, need something budget friendly, and want a simple tools for quick keyword research and site check. Most AI in-depth and precision, while the Ubersuggest is best for beginners on a budget in 2025. And that's it.